I've said, the blind must be led, the hungry must be fed. Hey yo, Lord, I'm looking through a holy sphere over the earth. Hey yo, nobody. Bounty killer giving you originality. Boss a shot if you respect and love the quality. I shall shoot them like Al Capone. Take them to the zones of bones. Like that. Well, stepping on the building zone against the killer on you. Me shoot them like Al Capone. The guns have power down. So try to reach around and try to let me down. A quicker way to make them zone. Step up in a deadly zone. Bad man them boy. No witch. No fish, want to doctor fish. Yo, them fall in a ditch. One Lord blessed and rich. Yo, bad man no pretend. Yo, I are the one. What's up with them? Swallow the ground guy. Man a bad man, so me no friend fish.
One thing you know. When I touch the road, send boy to them resting place. I shot in her face when gangsters touch the road. They clip them load, bring touch the cloud. I'm very proud. Me just mad if them play with mama want the son. But the friend them go him straight with. Me touch the road and the SK me spirit. Kill him man.
For more videos like this, please subscribe.
I always been wondering what really takes some fool. Me too. Them never know when me say teacher is a big war school.
No boy, can't let me run left my place. Draw me out like you think me a necklace. Them ends with a shelly like rice case. When me give my own page like my space.
Hey, Stephen can't hear me while animal training. Hey, make them go over vodka when it start me. Nah, go nowhere.
But you just know one. I know the soul is broken. It's always kind of funny how you find out how they're coping. So he asked me how I'm coping, and I asked him if he noticed. I said, listen boy, I'm focused. I said, me I drink pine and ginger.
They don't know my story, they just know my sound. They don't know how far I'm coming from. They don't know my story, they just know my sound. They don't know how far, no far. Oh, them a go let me know hungry before. Oh, them a go let me know stumble before.
Hi, good morning.
Where you headed?
Houston.
Where?
Texas?
Texas?
Yeah.
What are you hauling?
Hi.
You have any alcohol on board?
No, sir.
Drugs or medications?
No, sir.
Any weapons on?
No, sir.
What's your birthday?
Try stars that the morning here. YouTube! Hear me I say now. Hear me I say now YouTube. Try stars, you know. We're there at Pennsylvania right now. Cause I want to tell you say me stop again for 1 2 hours, you know. Hold a little stop, you know me not early. You know so me is a night runner. It's because you have the damn sick in the truck here. You have to work with it. It's your boss, you know. You tell you when to drive, you know. You see me? But anyway, see me, I get used to it, you know. Normally the crush road I'm gone for, and in a long time I roll out. See me? Well, I'm put on the seatbelt, like, yeah. Now I go to the seatbelt thing right there, you know. I'm gonna want my new driver them feel like so this is something good to drive without seatbelt. You know, seatbelt for dep on you at all time. Yeah. Round the TriStars. Yeah, YouTube. So we're up on the 78 right now, and we're gonna turn our exit 1B, and we're going on the I-81 South. We head straight on the I-81 South, and we go all the way down. You know, as I said, the first me I come out here since, so we learn it along the way, you know, all the way to this thing here together. So as I say, I want to make me know how the views stay with the camera up on top of my head, you know. I mean, if we not get the right way of the position the camera yet, I'm just going to work with what I work with, you know. So this I like with the automatic, you know. It's like when you're on the highway, big stretch long highway like this, you put it in a drive and you don't have no more work to do. You just hold on the steering and drive, you know. Especially with the Volvo I-shift them, you have so much function to deal with it where you don't have to worry, you know. YouTube! TriStar's chucking. You know? There we are going easy, you know what I mean? We're not pressure it. Yeah, they did calm as ever.
Yeah, YouTube, I TriStars, I check in. Here we going now. Basically, we have to come at the Flying J, come watch the we call them thing, you know, the sheet covering from out of the case covering from out of the truck. You don't know, as I say, I clean out the truck, you know, so I get the truck for use, so I couldn't sleep knowing say the truck is in that condition. So I actually clean the truck myself and all them things, you know what I mean? And I come at the Flying J, I pull off the case in them, zip it off, take out the sponge out of it, and carry come at the seat cover and everything, and I carry come at the Flying J, come wash it. You know what I mean? Because, as I say, you know, this is something where you go sleep and you go rest your head, you go spend the night, you go spend a couple of days, hours, weeks, months in the truck. You have to care about your health, you know what I mean? You can't do this thing and then, you know, you deal with it like so, well, then it's not going to affect you. It will affect you, you know what I mean? Yeah, so what going on? Put them in the machine, so you don't know how 4 wash, you know, use kind. Wash the another thing here. You know what I mean? And put them for dry, so them done dry now. So I feel them to see them dry properly. So I take them and go at night truck now, go put them back in the put them back everything upon them, and then we start the journey again, you know what I mean? So yeah, YouTube, I TriStars. I say thanks to tuning in as always, you know what I mean? And remember to subscribe, remember to share my video, remember to send it a road, you know, we are dependent on it. I want to reach 1,000 subscribers then, you know what I mean? Well, maybe by the time a video drop, I'm supposed to reach it still because, you know, maybe at a time, but you know, Oh man, there's so much things to talk about. But here I said, no worry yourself, we're like clean up the truck, I get everything, I'm gonna tell them what we use and clean up the truck and I'll look or something. We have put them together. Right now I'm gonna sleep because that E-log thing here, you have to make sure say you're ready, you know, because when you start drive, you can't really stop as ever like when you know you do your own thing, you know what I mean? So you have to keep up to par. So I'm gonna take one thing here, put them in my bag and go outside because I'm Connecticut right now. I know I should have back the journey still, but me explain to you now why. We can I know that Vybz drop, but me the one just get the truck clean up. I just hit the on it a throw me off, you know what I mean? So me fix the problem and also I'm supposed to go. So now we're gonna big up myself. Thanks. See the YouTube, basically the sponge alone, after me take off the cushion cover off of them and the sponge alone. You see all that spot there? Over there, so you see that? That me I try to get out next. But me need to get a buckle and 9 spray 9. Kinda clean up the back part of this, but me need to sort out them area there and everything, you see me? I kinda put that plastic here on the ground because the rug where they did, I kinda wet wipe that rug there and thing. You know what I mean? So I put a plastic on it and put a little thing and stuff to walk on. You don't know. You go buy a mat for out here, so. And you don't know. As I say, so the seat them stay, so we have a seat cover to go upon them. Yeah, condition you see how the man them do the truck, brother? But me I tell you some of them people, boy, me I tell you man them nasty dog. You know how them do it, you know? But you don't know, we are different people, you know what I mean? So I put all of my stuff in my person, so I try to deal with the part where I go lie down and put my head there, see me? But the worst on this, trust me, far it I come from to reach what I something, I tell you. But just give me 1 week in here, 1 week, because this is the first day. Or the second day, I should say. But give me 1 week and everything will look suitable, you know what I mean? Buy one of the black ice, one of the big one, so it don't smell too bad, you know what I mean? So basically that's the journey, you know what I mean? So we have started back. So we have everything in motion on this. You can even put it that going so so well clean. You buy the orange spray thing, yeah? You know what I mean? This me use and I clean the place so far. But this are the killer. This, them never have none. Spray 9. Remember me tell you, when you want to clean anything, you take out pen ink, take out water, just clean leather, cloth, no care what you want to do. This. But they never have none. Now flying jail when I go in a Connecticut here, so I have to wait to reach Canada or some about it before I can buy one of that. But then at least we find in there the orange thing and in that bad still, but the fragrance and all that kinda work, so we just use it, you know? So yeah, basically I hate this. So there's a cleaner process to depend right now. Yeah, so there's a cleaner process with depend right now, you know what I mean? So basically that's a go on. Get down to business, you know what I mean? I don't know. As I'm saying, I'm kind of picky, you know. When you come on to certain good, I like clean, you know, I like it, especially when I go lie down and all them things, especially when I know I go stay for a while. I don't like, see, I don't understand how them do it. I don't understand, I don't understand. The man them, why? Oh boy, I don't know, but I don't grow that way, you know. When I get a truck, or anything me work, any workplace, when I live, anyway, it have a clean, man. You know what I mean? I don't know how them do it. What am I tell you? You know what, me I hold it, you know what I mean? As I say, I know how to clean, I know how to put back things together, but the main fact, I just a preach and I look on it. This was sick, yeah, man. You can't hear me, I say, man. When me young driver them, me jet at them when someone touch the road. Remember me tell you, try size. Put it in the rule book. Remember to clean it, keep your truck clean, man. Especially round which by your sleep. You know what I mean? Keep it clean, man. Me understand the driver mats and over the driver side right this are ground. Me understand that part. Trust me, because something don't want to take off your shoes to come in. Some man take off their shoes still. But you know, me drive my shoes on, because I just want to go out and come in and ray. But anytime I wash the truck, me draw out the mat and drop it on the ground and make them man them wash it off for me and ray. But me understand the driver mats. But nowhere else other than the driver mat. Everywhere else you're supposed to eat something and they drop it on the ground for you and take it up back, man. You see me? But, oh, man. Anyway, thanks to tuning in. I try stars. You don't know. I gotta put on them cover up on the thing and see if I can get a comfortable-ish sleep, you know? Until I get that stain there, remove and sort out from over the side there, then I can sleep comfortable. You know what I mean? But for now, I just go and catch, now I look up part of me know clean and go and see if I can hold asleep. That's what I stay, I don't know. I don't know. But thanks to Tony, respect, I try to start.
For more videos like this, please subscribe.